Let's learn the sound of these alphabets. A makes the sound A, A. Apple starts with A and makes the sound A. Apple. A. Apple. A. Apple. A. B makes the sound B. Ball starts with B and makes the sound B. Ball. B. Ball. B. Ball. B. C makes the sound K. Cat starts with C, makes the sound K. C. Cat. K. C. Cat. K. D makes the sound D. Dog starts with D and makes the sound D. D. Dog. D. Dog. D. Dog. D. A. Apple. B. Ball. C. Cat. D. Dog. Like, share and subscribe for fun learning videos. Thank you. Bye.